right, guys, we're out here at Fort McRae, which is one of my favorite spots in Perdido Key, and we're gonna meet this awesome couple that puts in this huge water slide. And we got a couple of Beachbilly prizes for the longest and craziest slide of the day.
Let's go!
Who is that? Fat Albert, the one and only. I have to rinse that off and give that to Miss Brown for her birthday. Yeah, just found her birthday gift. You know, what they do is these hermit crabs will go from one shell to the other. And if you look around, we can find some more, but so they'll find like a shell like this. It was probably in one smaller. He wanted a bigger spot, so he saw this laying somewhere, so he crawled out of his old one, left it there, and got in this one. And so they're like nomads. They just go from shell to shell or home to home, traveling around the world, man, just doing their thing. Hermit crabs. Live like a hermit crab. So we've arrived here at our final destination. This is what I love about Perdido Key, man, as a community. It's just like where you live. If you live at a lake, a water, and we're blessed enough to live here by the beach, you get any country person by some body of water, and that's a Beachbilly, man. Let's show you how we live the lifestyle here. I didn't realize how hungry I was till you offered it to me. Thank you, man, thank you. John and Bree, y'all actually bring a party when y'all come out here. Not only do you put the slide up for the community, but you brought your snowball company with you, man, which is awesome. Tell me this, John. I know it's a process to putting this thing together. You just don't show up and go, boom, it's there, man.
Yeah, man. All day we'll be out here because if you don't get the tarp good and straight and anchored, like that wrinkle right there, it'll take every bit of the water and run it off the side. So there's no water here, but then also it'll start making a crater underneath.
Yeah.
It's bumpy and dangerous. There's a big hole. It's a lot of work, a lot of trial and error. It's been, every time we come, we try to improve something.
Yeah.
Because every time you come, there's always something you could make a little bit better, a little easier for everybody.
And you kind of like manufactured all the tools to like slide the sand and do all the stuff, right?
So I'm an aluminum fabricator. Sunday's Fabrication is my company.
Yeah.
So I do a lot of boat stuff, marine stuff, aluminum, stainless.
You're one of those guys who can just do about anything, can't you?
Try to. I told her.
He's my John of all trades.
You're John of all trades.
Find something that I can't do to let me know, and I'll figure it out.
Yes, sir. So we'll see you next time. All right, guys. We finished up filming out here on the beach, showing off the slide and our friends and their snowball stand. Now it's time to get back on the boat and head back to the house. If you enjoyed this video, won't you check us out on all these platforms? Appreciate you for watching.